The Monport YX460 has a laser bed off. And the last and super important feature of a laser is the autofocus. All I have to do is drive the laser in the middle of my material and then press menu, searching for the autofocus, press enter, and the laser does the autofocus itself. It's super simple. If you have only a small laser, you can do 2 passes or 3 passes. It saves you a lot of money if you buy a small laser. I like the beechwood because of its hardness. It's a super tough material, but what I don't like is this color. Yeah folks, it's wild. I can cover nearly the complete studio floor with the self-made IKEA SKÅDIS, and what's left is to put them on the wall.